What's the meaning of AC? AC. 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 AC is an abbreviation that can stand for several different things, including air conditioning, a system that cools and dehumidifies air; alternating current, a type of electrical current that changes direction periodically; actinium, a chemical element with the symbol AC and atomic number 89; antichristum, a Latin phrase meaning before Christ; athletic club, a club for people who participate in athletics. The meaning of AC will depend on the context in which it is used. For example, if you see AC written on a thermostat, it is referring to air conditioning. If you see AC written in a physics textbook, it is referring to alternating current.